Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine and NATO advance coordination on air defense ammunition supplies and drone production before Ramstein meeting. Ukraine is working with NATO to strengthen air defense, secure ammunition supplies and scale up production of Ukrainian-made drones. The Ministry of Defense said the focus is on solutions aligned with Ukraine's defense strategy and able to deliver tangible battlefield results. The issues were discussed in Kiev during a meeting between Ukraine's Minister of Defense, Mikhailo Fedorov, and NATO Secretary-General Mark Rutte. The talks took place ahead of the next Ukraine Defense Contact Group meeting in the Ramstein format. The main focus of the meeting was strengthening Ukraine's air defense. Fedorov thanked NATO and partner countries for their support in improving Ukraine's ability to defend against air attacks. The ministry said Fedorov also stressed the importance of the prioritized Ukraine requirements list, known as PEARL. The mechanism is intended to enable the rapid delivery of critically needed weapons to Ukraine. For Ukraine, PEARL is one of the key tools for protecting cities, critical infrastructure, and civilians from Russian aerial attacks. The ministry said ballistic missiles remain the main challenge for Ukrainian air defense. Ukraine said it is gaining the initiative across all domains of warfare. On the ground, the defense forces are conducting operations to liberate occupied territories and have for several consecutive months caused Russian personnel losses greater than the enemy can replace, according to the ministry. At the same time, the ministry said Russia continues to strike critical infrastructure and civilian sites because it is unable to prevail on the battlefield. Ensuring access to Patriot missiles and developing new capabilities against ballistic threats therefore remain key priorities. The parties also discussed plans for further support to Ukraine. At the June Ramstein format meeting, Ukraine expects partner contributions for its main defense priorities. These priorities include contributions to the PEARL initiative and deliveries of PAC-3 Patriot Advanced Capability, 3 missiles through the Jumpstart mechanism. Ukraine also expects extended-range shells through the Czech initiative and funding for Ukrainian-made drones. Fedorov thanked Rutte for his role in coordinating Allied efforts ahead of the upcoming meeting. The ministry said this coordination is intended to help ensure the meeting's effectiveness. Ukraine and NATO also discussed expanding mutually beneficial cooperation. As part of this work, Ukraine is preparing to launch the Unite Brave NATO initiative to support joint defense projects. The Ministry of Defense said it will continue working with NATO and partners on solutions that strengthen Ukraine now while also reinforcing Allied security. It also noted that PAC-3 Patriot Advanced Capability 3 missiles remain among the key elements of Ukraine's air defense because of their capabilities against ballistic threats. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.